Let's talk about more efficiency in building websites. No one wants to build elements from scratch over and over again. We want to reuse our elements in the new project. I'll show you how to do this in Greyd with a couple of clicks. Have a look on this multi-step form where you can value a property. Maybe you want to reuse it the next time you build the project, and maybe it's even a dark mode page. You can do that, and I'll guide you to the process. You just go into the backend itself, go into pages, and for example, in here, I'll completely export now everything which is in the front page, which is the post type with the actual form, the images, and everything in between. So I just hit export now. I head over to my new website. This is my new project, which is already set up. It's a dark mode page. And now I go into pages. I click on import, and I import my complete page with the form. Now let's have a look into the front end, and here we go. We have our imported multi-step form with updated colors. Maybe we have to change the headline color real quick, but we can already use the form as it should be. As you can see, you can reuse already built elements in just a few clicks, more efficiently directly in the block editor. Import and export everything with Greyd.